Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about GPT-4, which is the next generation of ChatGPT. I'm going to be talking about some of the implications, the pros, the cons, and some of the upgrades we're getting. So right before we get into it, if you guys like this type of comment, consider liking the video, commenting, and subscribing for the YouTube algorithm. That would help out a ton. Thanks. So let's get right into it. GPT-4 is the next generation. Currently, we're on GPT-3. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters, as you can see here, which sounds like a lot. But then GPT-4 is going to have 100 trillion parameters. So currently, GPT-3 is very powerful with ChatGPT. You can ask it questions, and it's going to give you a response. But it's not that human-like yet. The responses are limited in the length, so it can't be very, very long. And it's not necessarily as human-like just yet. But to put that in perspective of how big an upgrade in the parameters that is, from 175 billion to 100 trillion, Linus here on Twitter puts a image right here just to put that in perspective. I mean, this is a massive upgrade that we never really saw coming with AI in general before. So, and he also talks about one of the key features of GPT-4 being its ability to perform unsupervised learning, meaning that it can learn and improve its performance without explicit labels or supervision. This makes it a highly efficient and flexible tool for a wide range of applications. So basically, it's going to highly revolutionize the way we interact with language and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of many industries. So, and he thinks it's coming in 2023, maybe 2024, because of Microsoft's investment. A lot of people are thinking it could even come in the first quarter of 2023. So lots of great things here. Another thing we can talk about is the NLP upgrade. So it's going to be a lot better with language processing. So we're going to be able to use it here in creative writing and content generation, which people are already getting very excited about. It's going to be able to write in a variety of different styles and formats. So it's going to be able to assist writers and content creators in generating new ideas and improving their work. I mean, creating content has never been so easy. Starting online businesses has never been so easy with ChatGPT. AI can just help lead you in the right direction. They're also going to have a profound impact on the field of education. This is another thing I'm really excited about. A lot of people are scared, thinking, oh, it's going to take away a lot of jobs, which it might, but it's also going to generate a lot of new jobs. And it's going to have to really revolutionize the education industry, because teachers are going to have to think, hey, my students are just going to be copying and pasting essays and finding loopholes to get around it. So GPT-4 is going to create personalized learning experiences for students to help them better understand complex concepts and improve their writing skills. And, obviously it's going to have a big impact in AI, because GPT-4 could be used to train other AI models to help accelerate in the development of new AI applications. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas such as natural language understanding, computer vision, and more. That's why I'm really excited to see where this all goes in the future of AI. And then, however, we cannot ignore the downsides. So to talk about the downsides, like I said, the potential loss of jobs, it could lead to a loss of spread of fake news, because it can easily mimic human writing styles. So right now, GPT-3 can't really generate super long responses, but with this overload of information in GPT-4, this could make it difficult for people to separate fact from fiction. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see where this all goes in the future, but we definitely have to think about the downsides as well. So in conclusion, GPT-4 technology has the potential to greatly improve natural language processing and content creation. It's going to be used in coding, development, in any sort of business really, but also poses, potential ethical concerns that need to be addressed. People are definitely going to be trying to use it in a negative or nefarious manner. So I'm interested to see what they can do to stop them from being able to use it in a negative manner. There are definitely some safeguards in place right now, but let's see what they do moving forward. I really appreciate if you guys watched to the end of this video. Let me know and comment down below by saying GPT-4 coming soon. That way I'll know you watch to the end of the video. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And if you guys want to get 12 free stocks for signing up for Webull, definitely check out the affiliate link below. Have a good one.